So, Bache, we are going to start trial balance, chapter number 14. What is a trial balance? Trial balance is a statement prepared with the debit and credit balances of ledger accounts to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books. Now, we have prepared journal books, we have prepared subsidiary, we have posted them to ledger. Now, we want to check whether we have made it correct or not. If there is any mistake, it can be detected by preparing a trial balance. All the mistakes we can detect by preparing a trial balance. All the businessmen, after completing of posting from journal or subsidiary books to ledger, wants to verify accuracy of the posting. For this purpose, a statement is prepared wherein the balances of all the accounts in the ledger are incorporated. We have to taken all the balances of all the accounts we have taken. The statement so prepared is called trial balance. That statement is called a trial balance. Accounts showing a debit balance are put on debit side. Those accounts which are showing debit balance will put on debit side, and those accounts which are showing a credit balance are put on credit side. If the total of the debit side of the trial balance is equal to that of its credit, it is presumed that the posting to the ledger is accurate. Both sides should be equal to each other. Debit side of the trial balance should be equal to credit side. So this is just a statement just to check the arithmetical accuracy in the posting. If there is any mistake, it can be easily detected by preparing a trial balance. So how we prepare a trial balance? So this is illustration number 1. You have been given a lot of ledger posting in the question itself. This is the ledger posting. Cash book is given, cash account is given. Then you have been given purchase account, sales account, Dinesh, Gopal, Nitin, and furniture, rent, drawings account, salaries and purchase return. This is a question. One long question is given, and now we have to make a trial balance. In trial balance, we have to make 4 columns. On the top, we will write trial balance of Shekhar Brothers as at 30th April 2020. In 4 columns, we will write the name of the accounts. Ledger folio will be left blank. Then debit balance and credit balance. First of all, beta, you have to write the name of the accounts. How many accounts you have made? Cash account, bank account, capital account, 3. Then purchase account, sales account, Dinesh, Gopal, Nitin, furniture account, rent account, drawings account, salaries account, purchase return account. All the names you will write, only the names. Then you will write their closing balance in their respective columns. Now their closing balance, have a look on balance BD. If its opening balance is on debit side, it will be written in debit column. Capital is showing a credit balance, then it will be showing in credit column. Now purchases is showing total they have not done. This is 490. It will be shown in debit column. Then sale will be shown in credit column. Dinesh is showing a credit balance. It will be written in credit. And Gopal is showing a opening balance in debit side. It will be written in debit column. Then Nitin is showing a debit balance. See the balance BD. It will be written in debit balance. Then furniture is showing a debit balance, rent is showing a debit balance, drawings are showing debit balance, salaries are showing debit balance, and purchase return is showing a credit balance. It will be written on these sides. The total should be equal for both the sides. Have a look now. I am going to prepare it for you. This is illustration number 1. You have seen that a lot of accounts are given to you. You have to write their names only. Cash account, bank account. This will be given in the question either in the form of ledger or simple names will be given. Capital account, purchase account, sales account, Dinesh. No account will be written with the name. Gopal, Nitin. Then you will write furniture account, rent account, drawings account, salaries account, purchase return. Name of the accounts you have written, you just have to write their balance and do the total. This is trial balance. Write their balance. If their balance BD is in debit, you will write in debit side 380. If their balance BD is given in credit, you will write in credit column. Creditor you will write in credit and debtors you will write in debit. At the end you have to do a total and the total should be equal. The total should be equal for both the sides. It is 11 lakh and 14,000. This is total. If your total is equal, that means you have not made any mistake. And if your total is not equal, that means you have made a mistake. Any doubt, bache? Have a look here now. In illustration number 2, what you have to do? Beta, illustration 1, a lot of accounts were given to you. Okay, very good. But in illustration number 2, name of accounts are given. This is an easy question and question can come in this form only. Prepare a trial balance from the following balances of Shri Keshav Chand Gopal Chand as at 31st March 2018. On the top of the answer you will write trial balance of Keshav Chand Gopal Chand as at 31st March 2018. Name of the accounts and their balances are given to you. So what you have to do? Beta, you have to prepare a trial balance. Then on the second line, at the second line, you will write as at 31st March 2018. All the name of accounts you will copy from here. You just have to write the name of accounts. Then if their nature is debit, you will write on debit side. If their nature is credit, you will write on credit side. Then you have to do the total. This is just the answer. You have been given the name of accounts in the question itself and their balance also. You have to write their name of accounts at one place and then you have to write their balances as per their nature. Now I'm going to tell you the nature of everything which I have already explained, but I'm repeating it again. Which items are having debit nature and which items are having credit. If you know that, then you just have to write the name of accounts and their balance in respective columns and do the total. This is the method of trial balance. So, debit side, I'm telling you the nature of certain things. Credit side, okay. On debit side, we usually write all assets. Furniture, machine, plant, building, land, everything we have to write on debit side. Then all expenses, rent paid, salary paid, discount allowed, everything, interest, anything, wages, all expenses are of debit nature, including drawings. Drawings are personal expenses. So all expenses, whether it is related to business or not, or they are personal, all expenses will be written on debit side. All assets, all expenses. Then purchase is having debit nature. Sale return, you remember debit what comes in purchase, you are purchasing, sales return is coming back to you. Then you have to write on credit side bache. Yeah, two taxes you have to write here. Input, all the input GSTs, whether it is uh, SGST or CGST. Inputs are written on debit side. Remember, purchase, input to sale, to cash, you have to write. Then, bache, on credit side, you will write all the liabilities, all liabilities. You have to write on credit side. Creditors, bank overdraft, BP, every liability will be recorded on credit side. All incomes, all incomes means all the incomes, rent receive, interest receive, commission receive, discount receive, all the incomes will be written here. Then capital, just opposite to these items are written on credit side. So drawings which we have withdrawn, capital which we have introduced. Capital is of credit nature because it is an internal liability. Then sale, credit what going goes out. Then purchase return is also goes out. Then bache, output GST. Whether it is SGST or CGST, you have to write it here. So this is the nature of certain items. If you know the nature, bache, you will write opening stock in debit side, purchase debit, purchase return credit, sale return debit, rent, salary, advertisement debit, all are expenses. Then commission is received, it is an income. Discount, in front of discount is it is written credit, so you will write on credit side. Furniture, machine, debtors, they are assets, debit side. Creditors, credit side, liability. BR assets, BP liability. Cash in hand asset, bank overdraft liability. Interest on overdraft expense, bank overdraft is liability. Capital, credit side, drawings debit, inputs debit, output credit. Then you have to do the total.